Hello guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we are back working on the BMW 130i. Now then, I have actually been having a few issues with my Bluetooth module. So ever since I have got the car, the Bluetooth feature where you can talk, using Bluetooth to use your mobile phone, it has never really worked. And I've actually done a scan using ISTA, and it says no communication with the MULF module. The MULF module is essentially the Bluetooth module. So today we're actually going to be replacing it and swapping it out for an upgraded model. So what's in there at the moment, what is in there from a factory in this car is the MULF 1 module, and we're going to be upgrading it to the MULF 2, which is a lot more reliable and doesn't have near as many problems. So essentially, yeah, we're going to be swapping it out today, and it might actually need a little bit of reprogramming as well, so we'll move on to that after we have went ahead and installed the new module. But yeah, hope you guys are looking forward to this one, and I think we'll get outside, we'll get to the back of the car, and we'll take a look where the original module is located. Okay then, so for those of you who are not aware, the Bluetooth module or the MULF module is actually located in the boot, and it's located underneath the false floor. So all you have to do is lift this entire section up and out of the car, and what you are looking for is this box right here. This is the Bluetooth module. Okay then, so when it comes to the removal of the Bluetooth module, it's held in by 4 10mm nuts. Just these 4 here. There is a couple of connectors as well. There is the fiber optic connector that just removes by pushing down on this tab and then pulling it out. That's that one removed. And then there is a connector at the rear as well. And then when it comes to this big connector at the back, there is a little tab that you push in, and then this slides round and then pulls out. And then there's another one. And then this last connector, you just push in this tab and it should just pull out like so. And now all I need to do is remove the 10mm nuts. Okay, so my bad, these are actually 8mm nuts, not 10. So I'm just gonna remove these now. Okay, so with all 4 nuts removed, the module should then lift up. There we go. Okay then, so here is the module removed. As you can see, it's just the standard MULF module. Okay then, so as you can see, this is the difference between the 2 modules. So this is the original one that we removed, and this is the much sleeker, much better MULF 2 module, and this is the one we are going to be installing. And now when it comes to installing the new Bluetooth module, it's pretty self-explanatory, literally just the complete opposite of the removal. So as you can see, slots over the original studs, then plug the connections back in. There we go, and now we're just going to put the 4 8mm nuts back on. And there we go, that is the new module completely installed. Hello?
Hello, is that George?
No, I think you got the wrong number, mate. Okay then, so as you saw, the Bluetooth is now fully working. Now, in my case, it actually didn't need any programming. It was literally just a case of it being plug and play, swapping out the old MULF 1 module for the MULF 2 module. And that is actually because I have the aux option, on my car from factory. My car is a 130i, so it's pretty fully loaded from factory. Now, if you don't have the aux option on your car from factory, then you may need to reprogram the new module, the MULF 2 module, and you may actually need to play around with some of the connectors as well. But yeah, you know, I guess I'm pretty happy that, you know, we didn't have to do any reprogramming. You know, it's literally all fully working now as it should, and it's another thing that we have managed to fix on this car. So I hope this video has been somewhat helpful. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one. Peace!